In this video I want to explain about the another example for the CLR table construction. What are the rules we need to follow the CLR table construction? The first one, we need to construct the LR1 canonical form for a given grammar. After that, construct a CLR table using the LR1 canonical form. In case of there is no conflict in that table, so then the given string can able to pass by the CLR. So let us construct the LR1 canonical form. So here, for every LR1 canonical form, first we need to define the augmented grammar for it. So what do you mean by the augmentation? Augmentation is nothing but derive the start symbol by the another symbol. What is the need for the apply the define the augmentation? Because it is a bottom up parsing. So whenever you reach at the root node or start symbol, so it is not a complete parsing. We had to also visit the start symbol and cross over the start symbol, so that is could be possible by the augmented production. Okay, so whenever we reach at the start symbol, so it is not a complete parsing, we also visit and cross over the start symbol, we had to reach at the another symbol, so that is the augmented symbol. So this is going to be a concept of a LR1 canonical form. So now the next, let us construct the LR1 canonical form. First we need to start with the augmented production. So this is the augmented production, and whenever you take the augmented production, you have to put the dot in front of the start symbol. And for this production, what is the look ahead? The look ahead is become a $. So this is the by default case of a LR1 root. After the dot is in front of a non-terminal, so that we have to write the closures of that non-terminal. Okay, so what are the closures? Two closures are there. First closure, so for this closure, what is the look ahead? Look ahead also become a $, because no other symbols are available after this yes. In case of any other symbol is there, we have to replace with the terminal and we have to write the look aheads. But here no other symbols are there, directly we have to take the look ahead as a $. So $, become a look ahead, and dot for every time whenever you write the any closure, we have to put a dot at beginning of the right side of the production. Okay, we have to put at beginning. The next, what is the next closure of this yes? Second closure of this yes. Dot is in front of the yes, so that we are writing the two closures of yes. And also you have to put a dot at beginning of this production. And what is the look ahead of this second production? Also become a $. Also become a $. Okay, so $, will become a look ahead. Now let us go to the second production. Now dot is in front of a terminal. Terminal doesn't have any closure set, so no need to write the new closure. Again go to the third production. Now after this dot, what is the symbol? It is a terminal. It is also terminal. No need to write the closure. We don't find the closures of it. Now this is a complete item set I0. Okay, now let us create the moves over symbol by symbols. Okay, now create a move over capital S. Then where you can reach for this first production? You will reach at the S derive S dot. And what is the look ahead created at this position? $. So you have to put the $, as usually here also. Now this is a I1 production. Then next one, whenever it is a reduced production. How do you say it is a reduced production? After this dot, no other symbol is available. Dot is completely visited the entire right side production, and it is a end of the production, so that this is nothing but a reduced production, but it is reduced to the where? It is reduced to the augmented symbol. So whenever any production is reduced to the augmented symbol, then it is nothing but a accept. So this is once only accept is created for the every grammar. The next, create a move over small d. Where you will reach? You will reach at the S derive d dot ca. Okay, now what is the look ahead is created for this production? $. You have to put the $, as well. Then let us go to this third production, move over small d, and again what is where you will reach? S derive d dot. But see here, all LR0 and LR1 are deterministic. Deterministic nothing but should not create the multiple moves on same symbol. Should not create the multiple moves. But here whenever you go to this concept, here multiple moves are creating over the small d and small d. So this is not a suitable concept for the LR0 or LR1. They are a deterministic. We should create a single move on every symbol. In case of multiple moves, in case of any move created on same symbol, then we have to write the set of items into the same item set. Okay, these all production we have to write in a same item set. Okay, so that we should not take this and we should not take this. We have to write here only. Over this d also can reach at the another production d dot ab. Okay, so now after this dot, what is the symbol? Terminal symbol. So no closures will be defined. For the second production, after this dot, what you will see, it is a non-terminal. So that whenever dot is in front of any non-terminal, we have to define their respective closures. What is the closures of A? A derive C. According to our grammar example, A deriving the production, that is become a closure of this A. Closure of this A. For this A, what is the look ahead? For this A, you are writing the closure. Also for this A, you have to identify the look ahead of it. What is the look ahead? After next character of this, any symbol is become a look ahead. So after this symbol, what is the next character? Small b. So small b is become a look ahead. Okay, in case of no symbol is available, then the dollar is become a look ahead. So similarly here also, okay, we will discuss, we already discussed such kind of concept in some previous examples. After this A, there is small b is available, so that we are writing the closure as a look ahead as a B. In case of B is not available, then what is the look ahead? The look ahead is become again dollar. Okay, so this is become a item number set 2. Now create a moves over, again statement by the, again one production by production, move over small c. So where you will reach? You will reach D C dot as well. Another move also created over small c. What is that? A derive small, A derive C is there na. We have to create again move over small c, but we should not take the multiple moves on same symbol. Whenever you create a move over small c, so you have to take in a same item set. So this is a one production D dot CA, and their look ahead also became a dollar. And the next move also created for the third production over small c, over small c. Generally what we should do, we have to take a line and over small c, and we have to put in a new item set, but it is create the multiple moves from I2 to the other states on same C and C, so it is not correct. So that we have to integrate into the same item set, we have to integrate into the same item set, so that over small c can also created on third production move, so that A derive C dot. What is the look ahead of this production? Small b. So you have to write. Okay, now for in these three production, two productions are created move over small c. So you have to take into a single set of item. Okay, na item set, single set item. Okay. Now this is item set 3. Now let us second production. It is a different symbol. Now move over capital A. Where you will reach? You will reach D dot A dot B. Now after this dot, what is the symbol? It is a terminal symbol. No closures will be derived. So what is the look ahead of this production? Dollar only. So once any look ahead is created at any production, that to be continue with the end of complete reduce of that production. Now for this production, look ahead is created as a B. For this production, look ahead is created as a dollar in I0 state. For this production, look ahead is created as a B in I2 production. I3 also same look ahead will be continue until it is reduced. Okay. Now also this is a one state. Now I think these three completed. Let us go to again here. So move over small a. Where you will reach? S derive D C A dot. What is the look ahead of this production? Dollar, and you have to take dollar as usually. Okay. Now no other symbol, no other productions are there to shift to the other state, because it's a reduced state, you cannot move anywhere. I5 again over small b. For this I4 over small b, you will reach a DAB dot. This is also reduced state, you cannot create any moves after this state. Okay, I6. Can you move from I5 to the any other state? You cannot move, because dot is end of the production. Here also dot is end of the production, so they are called as a this is a complete canonical form, LR1 canonical form for a given grammar.